Hey there, it is so good to see you again. If you're anything like me, your Instagram DMs probably look like a digital jungle sometimes. Between the technical questions, the how-to requests, and all those random emojis, trying to keep up with everyone can feel like a full-time job on its own. I've always wished I could clone myself just to handle the inbox, and I finally found something that's pretty much the next best thing. Today, I'm super excited to show you a brand new tool called the Jotform Instagram Agent. It's an AI-powered assistant that doesn't just reply to messages, it actually learns to speak just like you. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole setup, from training the AI on your past posts to making sure it captures your specific sense of humor. We're going to turn that chaotic inbox into a streamlined system that works even while you're sleeping. Let's dive in. To get started, head to this website. You'll find a link right down below. On this page, click Create Instagram Agent. There's a free plan that includes up to 100 conversations every month, and if you need more, you can always upgrade later. On this next page, start by connecting your Instagram account. I'll click here to do that. Then click on Allow. Now that my Instagram account is connected, it's time to train the agent so it actually sounds like me. Here, Jotform pulls in information directly from your Instagram, things like your bio, your posts, and your DMs. This will all help the AI understand how you normally communicate. Right over here, you can choose what to include, and I happen to have all three checked. The bio gives context about who I am. My posts show my tone and style, and my DMs help it learn how I usually reply to messages. Once you've made all of your different selections, let's click on Next at the bottom. Right now, it's training, or basically learning from your Instagram, so that your AI agent will be ready to start replying in your voice. That is so cool. And that's it. My Instagram agent is ready to use. It can now automatically reply to DMs, comments, and story mentions. Of course, you might want to fine-tune a few settings first, so let's go ahead and click on Complete. This drops us into the main dashboard. Right here at the top, you can see that my Instagram account is connected, and right down below, you can see all of the different features or agent abilities. It can reply to DMs, comments, stories, and mentions. You can toggle each one on or off. So let's say, for example, you would like it to reply to DMs, but maybe you would like to handle replies to comments on your own. You could toggle that off here, but I'd like to leave it on. I'd like to have the agent take care of all of these. Down below, you'll also see a summary of how many replies it has handled. Once the agent starts responding, you'll see these numbers start increasing automatically. To see how your agent is responding, you can even click in and view each individual conversation. We'll look at that later once we have some conversations. For now, let's go to the top and look at some of the customizations. Let's start by clicking on the three-dot menu right here at the top. First off, you can pause your agent, which is great if you want to temporarily turn off automation to handle messages manually. You can also set it up so the agent is only active during certain hours, for example, outside of business hours, and you can do that right here in the settings for the specific agent abilities. Let's click back into the three-dot menu. Right here, you could also train your agent again, or basically retrain your agent. Let's say that your tone has changed, or you just want to update it with the newest posts or DMs in your Instagram account. You can run through the training process again. Right here, you also have the knowledge base. Let's take a quick look at what's in there. Within the knowledge base, you can add extra details or frequently asked questions that the AI should know about your brand or business. You can just type the information in, and then it will use that to respond more accurately to Instagram messages. Here is an example. You could upload files, add a link to a website, or even add Q&A pairs. You can do all that right here. Let's now go back to the dashboard. At the top, let's click on Publish. Let's go back to the three-dot menu, and right here near the bottom, we have something called Agent Persona. This is where you can tweak its personality. As an example, what should its tone of voice be? Here we have casual, professional, and friendly. You could also adjust the chat response length. You can adjust all these different settings depending on your style. Along with configuring the overall account, you can also customize how your agent handles specific abilities. Down here, you'll notice that next to every single agent ability, you'll see a settings gear where you can customize that ability. Let's take a look at some of the customizations under Reply to Comments. On this page, let's click on the three dots and then edit this automation. For example, you can choose whether the agent should reply to comments on all posts or maybe just specific posts. Down here, you can also decide if it should reply to every comment or only those that include certain keywords, like newsletter. I can define what happens when someone uses that keyword. By default, it will pull an answer from the knowledge base, but I have something more specific in mind. I'll click on this and then select Say Exactly. Here, I'll type in my message. If someone comments newsletter, I'll send them a DM with this message. Down below, I'll also leave a quick public reply that says, "Thanks for your comment. Check your DMs." At the bottom, I can also configure the response hours, basically when this automation should be active. Maybe I only want it to be running outside of my business hours. I have full control over that. Now, I think everything else looks good, so at the very bottom, let's go ahead and click on Save. All right, let's test it out to see how it actually works. In the top right-hand corner, let's toggle on Preview mode. This opens up the preview experience, and we can now simulate what it would be like leaving a comment or sending a direct message to me on Instagram. Down below, I'll enter my first question. Do you have a Discord? This is something that viewers often ask me. Let's see what the agent says. Right up above, you'll see the agent actually replied that I don't have a Discord yet, but offered to help with anything Instagram related. That happened because I haven't connected my Discord server to the knowledge base just yet. However, once you do connect it, the agent is smart enough to provide that direct link automatically without you ever having to type it in manually. Not only can it handle that, but it can also answer tons of other questions I typically get from viewers. Let's go ahead and exit out of preview mode now by hitting the toggle in the top right-hand corner. Now that the agent has responded to one of my messages, let's scroll down a little bit and look at the agent summary. Right up here, we can click on View Conversations to see how it has been performing. Over on the left-hand side, I can see that my agent has been busy responding to different questions. Right at the top, I see my recent interaction. Do you have a Discord? And here I see the response. I could go back and review all the different interactions with the agent by clicking on that conversation. In the bottom right-hand corner, there's also an option to keep training your agent. Here, you can mark what you liked or didn't like about a response, and it will use that feedback to improve over time. This isn't just limited to Instagram. At the top, let's click on View this agent. You can also publish your agent to other channels. Over on the left-hand side, you can preview some of those channels. As an example, you could also publish it to WhatsApp, Messenger, or even SMS. Basically, once you've trained your agent, that same agent can work across multiple platforms without you having to start over. And that's it. You're officially ready to let AI take the heavy lifting out of your inbox so you can get back to doing what you actually love, creating. I'm so relieved to finally be on top of my DMs, and I know it'll be a total game changer for you too. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing, and I'll catch you in the next one.